Okay, so when we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and find out what Jake's problem, the correct answer is. So we're gonna go ahead and write the steps. So, and remember, it's parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, left to right, and then subtract left to right. So we're going to start with the parentheses, and again, the parentheses has an exponent and it has addition, so we're going to follow the order of operation. So I'm going to start with the exponents. So like I said, you're going to rewrite everything. So 2 to the second power is 2 times 2. So that's going to be 4 minus 2 times 4. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do what's in parentheses. So that's 3 times 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 2 times 4. So that we got parentheses, and we did exponent already. So now we're going to do multiplication or division from left to right. In this case, it's multiplication first. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply 3 times 10, which is 30. And rewrite everything, minus 2 times 4. And then again, I'm going to do multiplication again, which is 2 times 4. So that's 30. Minus 2 times 4 is 8. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the last one. So 30 minus 8, it's going to be 22. So my answer is 22. And again, if you notice, there's your triangle when you're rewriting your expression. So my answer, Jake's answer was originally 96, but the original answer should be 22. So make sure that you're showing each step. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and then the final answer. So you got to show this in your problem and the Schoology assessment, so make sure you're doing that. So we did multiplication and we did subtraction. So make sure you're writing each of those steps, rewriting the expression. Now the next one that you're going to do, you're going to find a mistake for the next problem, but you're also going to find the correct answer. So make sure you're following the video, the previous video and this video if you have any trouble with the next two problems.